Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change font size on iPhone. So let's get started. If you have trouble reading the text on your iPhone screen, then just follow these quick steps to change the font size on iPhone. First go to settings and then tap on accessibility. Now tap on display and text size. Now tap on larger text. At the base of the screen, you will find adjustment slider. Just pull the adjustment slider right to increase the font to desired size. And if you pull the slider to the left, then the font size will be decreased. You will see the text on the screen adjust accordingly. In case if you would like to increase the text size further, then toggle larger accessibility sizes to on. You will now have a greater upper range on the adjustment slider at the bottom of the screen. So that is how you can change font size on iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.